In this lesson, we will predict products for synthesis, decomposition, and combustion reactions, and then balance the chemical equations. Please have your periodic table and note sheet handy. Just to review quickly, remember that a synthesis reaction starts with 2 or more reactants and yields only one product. These reactants can be elements or compounds. Decomposition is the opposite of synthesis. One reactant will yield 2 or more products. These products can be elements or compounds. And finally, with combustion, we have a hydrocarbon, something with hydrogen and carbon, reacting with oxygen, and that always produces water and carbon dioxide. So let's take a look at a few examples. Our choices here are going to be synthesis, decomposition, or combustion only. We'll predict the products and then we'll balance the chemical equations. In this first example, we see oxygen, but this is not a combustion reaction. We don't have the hydrocarbon. This isn't a decomposition reaction because we have more than one reactant. So this is going to be synthesis. We're just going to do very simple synthesis reactions where we take the elements, combine them together to make a compound. This is a metal and a nonmetal, so we're going to write the chemical formula for this ionic compound. Remember that magnesium has a +2 charge and oxygen has a -2 charge. And when we crisscross these charges, we get Mg2O2, but we can reduce or simplify these subscripts to get a simpler ratio. So for our product, we will write MgO. And then we just need to balance the chemical equation. 2 oxygens, 2 magnesiums, and 2 magnesiums. This one's balanced. In this next example, here we see oxygen again, and this time we have the hydrocarbon. So this is going to be a combustion reaction. Products are always carbon dioxide and water. And then you just need to balance. Okay, and that one's balanced. And finally, we have a single reactant. So this is going to be decomposition. We are just going to do very simple decomposition reactions. We're going to break the compound apart into its elements, and all you need to remember are the 7 diatomic elements. So if we take this silver oxide and break it apart, we get silver and oxygen. But remember that oxygen is diatomic, so we're going to give it a little 2. Then we just need to balance. Please complete the problem set on the back of the note sheet where you will get to practice predicting products for synthesis, decomposition, and combustion reactions.